Chemistry e-learners, welcome. I just want to take a minute here and show you how we have chosen to set up Canvas for chemistry. You may have Miss Carroll, Miss Rothschild, Miss Lang, or myself, Mr. Etter, and they're all set up very similarly. So from your dashboard, if you click on chemistry, you will see, if we ignore these two modules, this is what you'll see. On the top, you'll see any announcements that we post. You may see over here on the left side some navigation items. But what I want to call your attention to is this Module 1 for new e-learners only. That would be you. So go ahead and click on that. And this is your drop-down menu. And this is how we are going to get you caught up this next week. So please ignore the dates, but it's important for you to understand that everything must be done in order. So if you start on the top and you click on submit your course expectations here, that's what we all want you to do right away. Just acknowledge that you're in the course, acknowledge that you've read the expectations, have your parents sign it and submit it in Canvas. When you submit something in Canvas, please submit a hard copy version of that form. Please print it off and sign it in this case, or print off whatever the assignment is, and use the scan feature in the Canvas app to upload your work. Please don't submit the picture, just submit the scan. Each day you will see two tasks that you need to accomplish. So moving down here, you will see the topic for the day and then an exit ticket. So we're asking you learn the topic, submit the required practice for that topic. I'll show you that in a minute. And then submit the exit ticket, and that is what you will do for each day. So just to make this clear, metric units and conversions should be done on Monday, as well as the exit ticket. Reading an instrument and significant figures rules should be done on Tuesday, and the exit ticket. Sig fig calculations and the calculations exit ticket should be done on Wednesday. You will do density on Thursday, and next Friday you will be doing a lab. For that lab, you do need to sign up for Pivot Interactives. Once again, you can see that on the top in the announcements. When you open up a page, I'm just going to choose Tuesday. When you open up a page, you will see a choice board. This is your choice as to how you will learn. There's a link to the textbook as a PDF. Please come into school if you can. Please come into school and get a textbook. We encourage you to read the pages in the textbook as the first thing you do that day. Then watch a video or two or all three. There may be some worksheets here or notes as well that we may list. You would find those on the bottom. But what you need to do every day is submit the required practice. We don't need to see your notes. We just need to see that required practice. So when you click on that link, it opens up 5 to 10 problems for you to work on. And then lastly, you will click on the exit ticket link, and that will be it for the day. So once again, if we come back here, just this week, work in Module 1, new for e-learners only. There is one thing for you to do every day. You could work ahead and get it done a little early, but there's 5 assignments for you to do, and that is your Unit 1. Your peers that are in cohorts A and B, they have done a few other assignments over the last week, but we're asking that you just complete these 5, and then on September 8th, we will move on to Unit 2 altogether. So you do not need to do this first day assignment or Unit 1 assignment. Please reach out to your instructor if you have any questions. And we are so glad that you are back. Thank you.